A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, monster trucks. We got two really cool guys. We got this one here, the 1974 F-250 in a really cool Firestone livery. And we got this one here, the 1970 Chevy K-10 with a really cool Goodyear deco on it. As you can see on the top of the packaging, it says Trading ACME Company, and here on the back it says Greenlight Collectibles. I guess it's kind of a cooperation. These monster trucks do really like Greenlight monster trucks. I have no idea how these companies work together. Anyway, I bought these two because of their cool livery. And before we start to take a look at them, let's bring in the gang of monster trucks that will join us in this video in the background. We got this guy here, the Stomper, and rolling in the Texas Armadillo. Next one in black push and stomp, also with the Firestone tires. And the last one, my personal favorite so far, this guy here, just says Boss, in this really nice livery. I like the colors, and this one is my favorite so far. I don't think that I will build up a huge collection of these monster trucks. I really like them because yeah, you get a lot of diecast for your money. They did cost around 7 to 8 euros here in Germany, and these are really heavy. And this guy here is my companion on my desk in my home office. Really like to roll him around. So, into the parking position, and I would say we start with this one here, and let's put the Ford in the background. So if you are new to this channel and not familiar with Greenlight cars, the thing is, normally you get a lot of diecast for your money. They have a huge variety of castings, different types of models, model years, and so on. The problem is you often have some quality issues, can be minor issues, but sometimes it's really bad and it can drive you insane. So if you take a look right here, there's something flying around in the packaging, and that is the bumper from the rear end of this truck. It has fallen off. I would say no problem. I guess that's an easy fix. We can glue it on. Yeah, as I said, I really like the deco. I mean, these are cars you also can keep in the packaging. It does look very nice. Anyways, I already cut it open so that you don't have to listen to these annoying sounds. The scissor going along the plastic. So, here is the bumper. And you can see something is broken, but I think I can glue it back onto the base of the car. Okay, it's already, take a look right here. This part is also broken, and first thing we notice, this one here has a plastic base. Not a real big fan of that anyways. These cars normally are really heavy, but a lot of the weight, as you can guess, comes from the tires, rubber tires. In this size, they have their weight. Now let's take a look at the car. We got nice Chevy logo on the hood, Chevrolet lettering in the grille, real detailed grille. Nice details on the hood. Windows do look quite okay. There's also a typical Greenlight problem. Sometimes they are smudgy or oily or fogged up, or you have some glue on them on the inside. So there's a cover on the bed. I don't think you can open that. No. No. And normally these monster trucks don't have any opening parts. Well, the back part of the car doesn't sit properly. Minimal issue. Okay. All in all, I would say a good car, a good monster truck. I think I paid 10 euros for it. Yeah, that's I'm always saying, you know, I'm doing these real-time unboxings because you can hear the disappointment sometimes when something like that happens, that the bumper is falling off. I mean, I saw it through the packaging. What I didn't saw was that the base is also cracked. I think it's fixable with a little bit of glue, so it's okay. So this, I don't know what you call it, misalignment. Yeah, it's minimal, but it could be better. Anyways, all in all, really cool deco. So let's see how this one rolls. Really nice, like the other ones, like expected. So let's make a little room for the Goodyear monster truck and put him into parking position. And let's go on with this one here. The 1974 Ford F-250 in Firestone-livery. Through the packaging, I didn't see any quality issues at all. So let's open this one up. So, some nice details, a clear windshield, and you can see the Firestone lettering on top. And notice the windshield wipers, they look very good. Nice front, and we got lensed headlights, which is very cool. We got the Ford badge on the grille. You can see this one is saying 4x4x4, whatever that means. And for sure this one has Firestone tires. The other guy had Goodyear tires for sure. Ford lettering on the tailgate, painted taillights. Oh, and look right here. There's some stuff on the bed. What is that? I think it's a battery and I don't know, a box for tools. Maybe. So unfortunately, this one also has a plastic base. Here is the production number if you're interested in 2970. So yeah, I think this is the cooler one. Let's put it down here for a second. Not all of these have plastic bases. I think this one here, that's a metal base. That's how it should be in my opinion. And I think, yeah, this one here also comes with a metal base. Didn't show you the production number or the serial number. Here it is, 3472. Let's see if the Firestone monster truck is also a good roller. Yes, it is. So, after this video, I will go on and try to fix this. And put this is how it should be. So, and while I'm trying to do this, you can give me a thumbs up, subscribe this channel. I say thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.